What's going on, everyone? Welcome to our channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. So we are in a new outlet, so let's move on and let's check out what do they have here. Enjoy the shopping. Let's go.
Look at this one, Jordan 2 Retro SE Special Edition, and they got a bunch of sizes here. I believe this one is just released a couple days ago, and look at that one, they're already sitting here in the outlet. Wow, not bad for the quality though. If you like some kind of animal printing and some detail right there, not bad though. But the thing is, they are still retail price on $220, no additional discount. Probably maybe I'll pass for now, but hey, we got a bunch here. Well, not much, but we got size 12 and a half, 11, and also this one is size 9 and a half. So what do you think about this one? Another Jordan 13 Retro in the outlet, and this one is the black metallic silver. Not bad for the color, but it is on size kids though. But the Jordan 4 Retro SE, a FIBA red and gym red colorway. Not bad for the price, but they are also in full size run, 140. If you got the size of yours, come on and get it. And same going on the Jordan 10 Retro Camo, Desert Camo. They are in retail and full size run. What do you think about this one? So they got the Air Jordan Legacy 312 for $59 for the highs. They have same price also on the lows, but this one also in $89.99. You got the Jordan Max Aura, somewhat look-alike of Jordan 11 Retro. What do you think about that one? You got also a different colorway on the Jordan Max Aura. There's also a 90. This one $80, and the Jordan Mars 270 colorway is the black, reflect silver, gym and red. Also they are still sitting here, the Jordan Mars 270, the shadow backward colorway, and it's in $80. Last time they had a 20% off. Another one that's sitting here, Jordan Wynot 0.2, is on sale for $99 or $100, no additional discount. Also another one new in here, we got the Jordan 10 Retro colorway is the razor blue, tin, orange and black, and they were selling for $140, no additional discount though. Looks like we have some good ones in the peak of the week. Right there, they got a lot of good ones. Let's check it out. What good for the collection and probably for resale. Let's try this one, the Air Max Plus white, gym and red. The colorway is white, gym and red, and they're selling for $99.97 with the additional 20% off. Nice and simple colorway for the Air Max Plus, but a little bit high, but let's check them out. Also we got the Nike Air Max Zero Essential, $59.97 with the additional 20% off. Also we got some good running shoes, $84.97 with the additional 20, and the Nike Free Run 28 Shield, also the different colorway, which is the olive flank reflect silver. This one is the white cobra. Same price, $84.97 with additional 20. Looking for another deal, we got the Nike Air Max 97 SE and they're selling for $120. Colorway is the white spirit nightshade. Check that one, 20% off. How about this one? We got the Air Max 720, $89.97 with the additional 20% off. Colorway is the wheat, black, crab, and gold. What do you think about the colorway on this one? Nike Air Max 95 Essential, not good one, too much. How about this one, the Air Max up Tempo 95, they are $89.99. We got some good deal also on the Nike Air Max 2017, $89.97 with the additional 20% off. What do you think about this one? What do you think? Your thoughts on the Air Max Tailwind 4SP selling for $80. So kind of dry here in the hash wall or the clearance wall. Not much going on. It's just the same sneakers that they have a couple days ago, and not much going on. So not much something to resell here or for the collection. Alright everyone, so I just left the one store or the first store here close to my area, and I left because I saw there's not much going on in there, so that's like not much sale or not much key that I could get for below retail, or maybe for the collection or for resales. And one thing is that they already had a lot of reseller there, so I said no, I'm not gonna rush myself and buy something that I might gonna regret again, because that one happens before. So one tip for you, if you are starting to do a resale, either what kind of niche you wanted to, just like me, I wanted, my niche is mostly sneakers. So tip is that you don't have to rush yourself. Just like if you have a lot of competition or a lot of people already there that trying to buy something that they wanted to resell, and you are gonna buy same item that they have, and then you will be doing rush yourself, making a decision that you're gonna regret in the future, because the item won't reselling because it is flooding or they are price tanking. So that's my first tip to you. Don't rush yourself buying into something that because there's a lot of reseller already there, and you have to rush yourself, make a decision without doing that much research. So even though you're doing the research thing, is you knew that they're already gonna have that same item and you're gonna compete with the same price with them, and then the price will go down and they're price tanking because they want to make sale and you want to make sale, and then you're gonna lose money then. So it's not worth the effort or worth the time for me to do the competition with them, since just let them buy it. Just go somewhere else and let them buy that what they want in that store. So guess that would be all on this video. So I'm going ahead to the next outlet, and then let's see if I got something, buy something else in there. So that would be all in this video. I hope you like what you've seen on this blog, on this outlet, so Nike factory store. So I'll see you in the next video. As always, Nolasco here. Peace.